Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into the simplest way to log into your Toloka account and get started quickly. Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we'll walk you through every step to log into your Toloka account quickly and effortlessly. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Toloka website. Once the home page loads, locate the Login button typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on Login to open the sign-in form. Now you'll see fields where you need to enter your registered email address or username. Make sure to type your information carefully to avoid any errors. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you do not remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset it. For those logging in on shared devices, consider checking the option to remember your login for faster access next time. But avoid this on public computers. After entering your details, review them once more, then click the Sign-in button. You will be directed to your Toloka account dashboard, where you can explore available tasks and features. If you encounter any errors, double-check your email and password for accuracy, or ensure that your internet connection is stable. For enhanced security, Toloka may prompt you for two-factor authentication. Simply follow the prompts to complete this step. By following these clear instructions, you can access your Toloka account easily and begin earning or managing tasks right away. Remember, creating a secure password and safeguarding your login details are essential for protecting your account. Always sign out when using a device that others can access and update your credentials regularly. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides and tips on getting the most out of Toloka.